everyone, I'm Jessica.
And I'm Casey.
And today we're going to build a backyard water wall.
Building a water wall will keep your kids playing outside all summer long. It'll last for years, and because it's vertical, it hardly takes up any space at all.
And the kids will have fun playing in the water and learning how it flows, and you'll have a great time building this unique DIY project with plenty of room to customize.
You ready to get rolling?
Born ready.
Let's do this. All right, the first step is to get these posts sealed. So you just want to put a nice even coat, spread it around.
These come off the shelf at Lowe's at 8 foot, but if you want to trim them down, you can make them any size you want.
So we try to pick out a bunch of different colors that'll pretty much make a rainbow, or you can pick your kids' favorite colors, whatever you're wanting to do.
All right, our sealer is on and the paint is drying.
Next step is we want to mark off where we want to dig our post holes.
We need to measure 8 feet from the outside edge of the hole.
All right.
We're not going to go into detail here about how to set a post.
If you want to see how to do that, there's a video in the description below. All right, once you got your posts in the ground, we're going to dig a trench out of here, maybe 2 or 3 inches deep, and then put some gravel in there to keep it from getting all muddy.
So we've gone ahead and pre-drilled the 2x4, so when we attach them to the post, they don't split.
If you give us an 1.5 inch gap between each one, we're just going to use a scrap piece of 2x4.
If you're using standard 2x4s, measure 48.5 inches from the top of the post. This marks the baseline of where you'll begin mounting your boards.
Next, we're going to create the system that brings the water to the top of the water wall.
We're going to use 3/4 inch PVC, a few elbows, and some ball valves.
And then we'll connect the hose using a standard hose fitting.
In the next step, we're going to make our support brackets out of this PVC board. It's going to hold up our gutters, which will direct water flow down the water wall.
We're going to go ahead and make our own brackets out of these gutter couplers that come with your gutter, but you can also download the template in the instructions as well. So this is our bracket.
Since this wall is modular, you can add to it whatever you like.
We just cruised through Lowe's and pretty much picked out whatever we wanted and thought we could have some fun with, like this blue bird, or these funnels, or this pink flamingo. Opportunities are endless. After a trip down my favorite aisle, I dreamt up this crazy thing, so we'll see what it does. We're gonna have some fun with this guy. All right, let's push it up. I think this turned out pretty great. What do you think?
Yeah, and the best part is it's modular, so the kids can rearrange it to make it feel new every time.
There's all kinds of things you can do with this. Just hit us up in the comments and let us know what kind of creative ideas you come up with.
For all the steps, materials, and tools you'll need, check out the description below.
Hit subscribe and give us a like.
Thanks for watching and good luck!